Yeah, I'm sure there was only 5 kilo in the bag when I left. How come? Did you eat all the 50 sacks? Oh my God. How did you do that? Can you tell me how did you finish the 50 grams? Hi, Graham! Hey, Boss, how's things? Things was good. Everything is good. How are you? Hi, Boss Graham. I eat a lot of it. Oh my God. That's too much, huh? I need to put, I need to return this in my... Hi, Sir Graham. Oh my gosh. That's a lot. Who eat the rice? Hey, you there, eat all those rice. 50 sa 150 kg. You eat a lot of rice. Hi everyone, let's eat guys. Yeah, let's eat. That's a lot here there, huh? 50 kg. Me, oh my gosh. Jo, Peekaboo! Hi Jo! Merry Christmas! How are you? New member back please. What yun, Mr. Lover? Hi Jo! Jesus Ruiz, hi. Let's eat guys. So this is how I eat my favorite. This one I need to dip on the soy sauce. This one, right? I dip in the soy sauce and eat like this. I eat a lot of rice 3 or to 4 times a day. Oh my goodness. That's a lot. So we need to buy a lot of rice when you come. Hi, this is Ruiz. Joseph Latian, hi. I'm good. A bit sleepy. Oh, I don't want to eat. I'm too sleepy. Okay, okay, Joe. Joe Latian, shout out to you all the way from Scotland. Let's eat. Hmm. Buy it. Buy it. Buy the snacks. Oh no. Hmm. Ray-Ban Sultan Dipo. Rinaldo, hi. Let's eat. Good morning. Yes, good morning, everyone. Hey, I just miss you. This is how Filipina eat their food. Hmm. Joseph, gonna go to sleep. Wanted to say hi, a quick hello before I sleep. Okay, thank you so much, Joseph. Joe. Thank you, Joe. Mr. Joe. Wow. Okay, guys. This is I